Police are investigating the theft of a 70-kilogram generator from the Caversham Highway construction site. The petrol generator was stolen from a padlocked container on site at Lookout Point. Police say it appears bolt cutters were used to gain access to the equipment. It is not known exactly when the generator was stolen, as contractors last viewed it more than a week ago. It's the size of 2 suitcases, and police say it could have been lifted by a single person, but they suspect more than one person was involved in the crime.